Cyber threats are everywhere, and for frontline mobile workers, the stakes couldn't be higher. Toughbook 56 is built to keep teams secure and productive anywhere the job takes them. Toughbook Total Defense provides layered, end-to-end security to protect every device level. Toughbook Guard detects tampering at the BIOS before your OS even starts. Smart Compliance monitors firmware and components for threats. Sentinel-1 provides AI-powered endpoint protection to stop ransomware in real time, even offline. And Absolute Security gives IT visibility and control across all layers of the device. Toughbook 56 brings new levels of hardware and software encryption as standard with every unit, fulfilling strict security and compliance requirements and safeguarding sensitive data at multiple levels. New built-in protections include optional embedded fingerprint or contactless smart card readers. Can also be ordered with user-removable X packs to safeguard sensitive data and provide the ultimate deployment security and flexibility. For unmatched peace of mind, ToughCare is a new warranty and service program that provides predictable service costs, new levels of device protection, and field engineering support. From military support teams to first responders and utility crews in the field, Toughbook 56 delivers uncompromising security, enabling teams to operate with confidence anywhere.